Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with toolnut.com. So today we have the new Makita backpack vac, Mac backpack vac, packing the vac in the back of your Mac. I could go on all day. Who are you gonna call? Tool Nuts. All right, so new to the market. This is larger than previous models. It's HEPA certified, works on a 2-stage HEPA filter. This is also 36 volts. So with 36 volt tools, we've gone over this in previous videos, you have to use two 18 volt batteries at the same time. If you try to put one in there, it's not going to work. One loses its power before the other, it's going to shut the unit off. So as usual, we'll go through the way this is sold right now. So here I have the bare tool. Bare tool meaning no batteries, no charger. All right, so you're gonna get the vacuum itself. It comes with a dust bag. It comes with the HEPA filter. You're gonna get the hose. You get the harness, all right, backpack part. You're gonna get the floor sweep. You're gonna get the Crevice tool. Crevice, whatever. Extendable wand. So that's one way to buy it. And that is, what is it here, Matt? It's the XCV17Z as in zebra. That's the bare tool. The other way to purchase this is it's all the same stuff here. You're gonna get two 6 amp hour batteries and you're gonna get the dual rapid charger, which that charger will charge both 6 amp hour batteries at the same time in 60 or 55 minutes. 55 minutes. All right. So 78 Cfm of suction power, 44 inches of water lift. With two 6 amp hour batteries in this, you'll get up to 139 minutes of continuous runtime on the normal setting and 40 minutes on the max setting. Again, that's with two 6 amp hour batteries, which they want star batteries. So they have to have the star symbol on the battery. There. And they also put it there. So easy in and out on the batteries. You saw how nice and easy that was to put it in. One on this side. One on this side. Again, I have the batteries here in the shot for the video. You have this control here. This is the on-off for your multi-speeds. All right, and then you're off. You also have a little LED light, so if you need to illuminate something, I'd say probably 18 to 20 inch cord on that. Belt clip, or it can go into the harness on your waist, on the backpack, back strap, on the vac, in the Mac. Let's just open it up here for a second. So bag is here, filter's here. Both are replaceable, come pre-installed on it. The other thing here, this right here, it's made to shake the bottom here. So as this bag fills with material, it's going to be weighted, and to kind of shake the material down in the bag to help with the gravity. Basically all this is doing is moving this. You can see it's thumping that to just shake the bag. So it's not like some other automated filter clearing systems that some other brands have. Just real simple. Some springs under there, and that's it. Again, these are available separate. So is the filter. Got a little gasket there around the edge. Click it. Hose, easy on off. It's just twist. Just line it up, lock and unlock it. And this Velcro strap here, this can be moved from this side to this side, depending if you're lefty or righty, when you're going to wear this on your back. You also have a top carry handle on this. We'll lock it. So again, this would be, if you're going to use the wand or you're using this with a tool, you could then attach that so it's not really whipping around too much. Again, this can be moved from this side to this side. Here on that, let's just show this also. Wheels, flex, just make sure if you want to use it that way, this is all the way turned around. Swivels, very simple. Rubber, hard surfaces, carpeting, etc. Nice long crevice tool. And again, nice metal extension. There's different detents in there so you can do it at different points. And everything connects easily. And then this, when it connected, will click in and locks in. Just push the detent, pop it out. That. And then again, this, if you're not using maybe the extensions on here, you can put this either onto the harness here. You have these on both sides. So you can put this there with that clip. You can also put this clip there too, if you want to keep it out of the way on that. So HEPA, this is going to get 99.97% of 0.3 microns and larger. Again, it's a brushless motor, which will extend the runtime. When using this, keeps the heat down, so definitely makes a difference with batteries. Disposable bags we already went through. Side load batteries, LED controller, 67 decibels on the max power setting and 60 on the normal setting. And I think that's it. It's a backpack vac. This is 1.6 gallon. 1.6 gallon. Previous model was a half a gallon. It's almost 3 times the amount. And then up to 139 minutes on continuous runtime on the normal setting and 40 minutes on the max, just to go back over that again, because that's always the biggest question. Cheat sheet done. Should we throw this baby on? Again, like most of these, lots of adjustment here. Turn on. Twist it! Real good. Look at that, it even fits me. Up! There we go. Woo!